On question number 3, I'm trying to figure out if the sequence is geometric. And if it is geometric, what is the common ratio? So to get from 27 to negative 9, I'm dividing by negative 3. But we really want to express this as a multiplication. So that means we need to use fractions. So I'm multiplying by negative 1/3. To get from negative 9 to positive 3, I'm multiplying by negative 1/3. And to get from 3 to negative 1, I'm multiplying by negative 1/3. So yes, this is geometric, and r is equal to negative 1/3. On question number 4, to get from 1/4 to 1/8, I'm multiplying by 1/2. To get from 1/8 to 1/16, I'm multiplying by 1/2. And then the same thing for 1/16 to 1/32. So yes, this is geometric, and my r is 1/2.